Alright guys, finally at Waterford Hills. This is the first time I've been here with the S2000. Before I was here with the company vehicle Mustang. So it's going to be interesting to see how it does. This is a much more dangerous track than I've usually been to. So you know, hopefully I don't spin, because I spun out 3 times on Gingerman, but it should be a lot better this time. At least I'm a bit more aware of my spinach, I guess. So let's just wait to go out. This is how I have the GoPro mounted up. It's actually mounted to the roof soft top right here. And as you can see, maybe you can get close, you can see it's kind of wrapped around with this 3-prong stand. Today's goal is to not make the corner workers mad. Because... Are you sure about that? Yeah. And also not to wreck the car. Today's goal is not to be a fast AF boy, but I'd like to cross some kind of barrier. Maybe 125. I think 1 minute 25 is a good time to beat. Let's just gauge the laps. I have the lap timer thing going on, so we'll let's just see how this goes. All right, first session. Here we go. Sorry about the GoPro mount, by the way.
Seconds later.
I'm so sorry. I failed you. You trusted me.
So I just came back from the session, and it looks like I did a 123.48, which is pretty fast, considering this is like my first real time out on track. I think what I really just need right now is to find space on the track, because a lot of times I was held up by traffic or through certain sections, you know. And I think I also just need to gain more confidence in the tires and really feel out the tire limits. I'm starting to approach them now, but just like, you know, for little split-second moments. I need to learn the line a little bit more. But 123.48 first session is a pretty good time. To put things into perspective, I think Jackie Dink did a 119 something time in one of his videos. So I think the goal is to try to get as close to 1 minute 20 as possible. I don't think I'll get there, but let's just wait and see. Okay, session 2. This was a lot better, and I fixed the GoPro mount. So there you go. here we go. Fastest lap of session 3. By the way, I forgot to record the video because I got ice cream in between sessions, but good news, the ice cream was very tasty. So here's me pretending to be Jackie Ding. I know, cringe. I don't care. Well, anyways, on to session 3. Well, guys, we narrowly avoided a major catastrophe. The coolant shot all the way up to 5 bars. Normally, this car never runs above 3. 3 is the maximum, and I definitely thought with the upgraded radiator that it wouldn't go above that. But I hit 5 bars as I came into the paddocks. Like just going around, it was 4 bars, then hit 5 bars, and then I just got scared and shut it off. So basically, it looks like the issue was the radiator fan does not turn on. So that's the problem. Radiator fan is not working, and that might be thermostat related or fan related. So I'm gonna have to do some experiments when I get back home. Good thing is, at speed, I don't think this is gonna cross 3 bars, especially with all the airflow and things like that. So I'm just gonna monitor it, keep a high load on the car for the next few laps, monitor the temperature especially, and we'll see. But in good news, I cracked 121. So I'm at 121.28 on the S2000. So we've officially hit spec Miata times, kind of, sort of. I don't know. I don't have a reference for this stuff. None of that is true. Ugh. Literally 0.07 of a second off from hitting the 1:20 region. But oh well, here's the lap. Well, that was the day. Very productive and all that, so As thanks for watching the whole video, which I'm sure all of you watched and didn't skip to just the fastest lap, here's a little prize.